Good morning. This is TradersCafe. Time is 11:19. Today is 20th September. Hey, good morning, SM. Good morning, guys. Hold on one second. I'm trying to get organized. Didn't want to stream today because we have a few things going on at office. We had some technical difficulties in the morning with some of our software, so it's been an eventful day in that sense. Morning, Pradeep Kumar. Alright, hope you're all having a good day. This is not going to be a long stream. This is going to be a short stream. Where is Vishal? Vishal sir is busy and right behind me. He's saying hi. Alright, I'm close to my targets. Today is purely directional, and all my call SLs got hit, and I managed to build the position slowly onto the upside. The momentum has been intense and could have been a good buyer's day, but for sure am I audible okay? Hey Mohit, good morning. Alright, good. Again, this will be a short stream. I have to run off to manage something at office. मोहित जी, आपका भी बड़ा ग्रुप है यार, कमाल का ट्रेडिंग ग्रुप है ट्विटर में, सो गुड वर्क देयर. My screens are a little bit unorganized. Okay, so got my chart up. This is where I built my positions. How did I manage 15 lakhs loss? I was not in losses. I was in losses of approximately 10 lakhs today because of this surge up here. And the problem was not that. The problem was with the software. We had some trouble with exiting positions. So there's going to be a pretty graph. Hold on. It's not allowing me to show that because it's a huge graph. Minus 15 lakhs of what, Mohit? Struggling to get the P&L chart up. इसको बिकॉज दिस इज सो बिग तो इसके लिए वो नहीं हो रहा है. Yeah, 13.5 lakhs. Yeah, it's not 15. I was actually up 17 lakhs. Then I did some mistakes. Yeah, I had a loss yesterday. Slight reversal on the puts. So as usual, the last few points that I want are not gonna come easily. $83,700. I'm still very far away, so I'm okay with that expansion a little bit. But the problem is they expand very, very fast and cool off also very fast. Yeah, that going back to your question, I did some mistakes. I was actually up decently until 245. Then my monkey brain took over my good side of the brain. How was your day so far? Puts are trying to increase. But any hint of up move, they cool off pretty fast too. Okay, flag to positive. That's good, not bad. Any bias on our channel? So this is the thing, guys. When I have a clear bias, I do take directional trades. I'm gonna call it a day in a bit because I have other things to do today. We have a guest coming into our office. I have posted on Twitter. If you guys can guess that guest, I will be sending you a gift for the right answers. So go ahead and comment on that, who that might be, and then I will also be sharing because my targets are not reached. SM, I will wait until it reaches 40ish. So I have a reasonable buffer. I'm okay to risk a little bit more. If I can't risk more today, I can't risk on any other day.
हाँ ऐसे नहीं है, ऐसे भी क्यों होता है ये बहुत
This has a high probability to will go below 50 in some time. It might expand a little bit and then go back because we are only at 11:30. It's hesitating to lose value. Even though it doesn't hesitate to lose value, it might be very difficult for it to gain value as well. Could be spikes, maybe there one or two, that's fine. I will add that as an opportunity to add in more if at all that is possible. Have reply to what? Oh, reply to the post on Twitter. See this one? Oh, got it. I thought I answered that, Zenith. I am not willing to take any other questions. I'll write it a little bit more. All of these will lose 10-20 points. In an aggregate way, I will be at 40, and that is where I will try to book positions. And probably these are high probable guesses if to go to zero also today. You have to do it on that chat, sorry, on the Twitter, not here. Good morning, Chromecast. Now that you have arisen the curiosity, everybody wants to know more about you, Chromecast. Like I said, the put that which I was targeting is going to go to 50s. That is where I'm looking forward for it to go. It's a safe zone. It will chop around a little bit, but one slight if hint up move will be there. So tell us more about you, Chromecast. Come over. $63 back to 60s. the engulfing candle that is forming on the 3-minute time frame, which I'm not liking. My prices are stuck. My Tradeflow is stuck. I'm blind. The put was at 73. Okay, I'm going to restart the trade flow. Five 004. Okay guys, the put is at 72, but my trade flow is stuck. Possibly, I'm gonna message trade flow support team.
Sometimes
The price of the put is around in 80s now. That is fine. Okay, not a good situation to be in. Red flows are stuck, guys. Very rarely this issue happens. The timing is bad because the puts are expanding now. Column with no trade flows are stuck. Column with the trade flows are stuck.
Trade flow is stuck.
All. And we are on the stream. Sorry about that, guys. There are some technical difficulties today. As you can see, it's still showing wrong things. There is
Close and reopen.
close and wait, close and reopen. Okay.
Click in that. उनको मैसेज भी किया
Showing nothing is showing.
he's on another call.
Mm-hmm.
हेलो अमित सर सर मैं वो ट्रेडफ्लो स्टॉक हो रहा है पर 1 minute
Now it is back.
now it's coming here. Sorry.
But it is stuck. It's not. Feeds are not.
No, it's Jainam side problem.
Okay.
That is what may also said.
So the problem is not with the trade flow. The problem is with the APIs at the broker level. This is showing very wrong images. My MTM is around 40 now, but this is not showing the correct one. Whoosh. And I have yours is working fine. I think it's my broker's issue. Not a good situation to be in. I don't like. I'm okay with having issues with my own trading, but when there are technical issues, it's a big headache. All right, I'm gonna switch back this to screen and retry that. Oh, this is. All positions not in sync. Click refresh button to. Sorry about my rants. Okay, it's a little bit slow than it should be.
Should I call you?
Just wanna see what's wrong. The feed has issues. Chromecast, I was actually up to 17 lakhs. Hold on 1 second, I am trying to. All the tech that everything is starting to make me panic. Okay, so yeah, I got cut off. I was in positive of 1.7 or 2.1 lakhs, something like that. Then I did not trade until it reached that support zone. I did took positions there, and this is not updating correctly. Yeah, so at the last fag end, I did some mistakes, as in I did not keep the balanced positions. I was far too late in the market. That was after 3. Whenever I am in after 3 in the markets, I typically don't do well. So primarily my mistakes of having a heavy skew on one side. Expansion of I think 5-6 points got me a loss of 9 lakhs, because my quantity was around 1,40,000, something like that. I'm going to bore you guys today because I have to switch to different screen, stop this, refresh this, and all of that. I am at 46.7 lakhs now, and I'm trying to go to 50 so that you can all see that on the stream, and some of you can give me advice and critique. Directional trading is risky, you shouldn't do that, and all of that. Okay, sorry guys, my Tradeflow is. Mohit, yours is working okay? Yeah, that's not correct. I'm at 47. Okay.
Feed का भी issue है. The feed is not coming properly.
Yeah, but I want to be ready with my exits also because don't want to get stuck and get played. This is correct now. Puts are very reluctant to lose value right now. They will lose very, very slowly. Breakout of structure on all, break of structure all, on all, nearly all indexes. There is a hesitancy for the put for now to go below 48, and I'm keenly watching how it will react there. The other idea is to take credit from the call side and be protected for that. That's what I'm thinking right now. I'll hold on for a bit and make that decision. For so what are you trading, Mohanji? How are you positioned? Are you not running the space today? Oh, sorry about that. You gonna try or you gonna call it a day? Yeah. Trying still? Okay. I like your gang there in your spaces. Good bunch you have. I ran a space last week and it was horrible. it disconnected us 5 times, I guess. 3 times or 4 times. I don't know. It doesn't want to go below 48, and I want it to go below 48. Yeah, I was hurt too there, Mohit. But I had more issues than that. My technical issues didn't help. So market is in a way telling this is what I'm gonna get, I guess. 44.7 was hit at 11:48. What does that mean? What is 44.7? Sorry, I'm not really following you. Oh, of my put? Got it. I guess that's what you're saying, right? All right, thank you. So that's the low it has to breach now. 44.7, that's a good reference. I don't like to stay on one thing when it is at their lows, because there is a tendency to bounce one time at least. And I'm sure I don't have the charts with me here, but it is a high possibility that there will be a slight bounce, because they will all be at their 2 standard deviations of VWAP. The loss of value in terms of the momentum will be on the call side. If there will be a slight drop also, the calls by their inherent nature will want to cool off. but the expansion will also be so fast, so you need to be pretty fast if you wanna do that counter trend trading. Mean reversion in the calling. Hold on for some time, Chromecast. Don't call it. Let my position get over, then you can call it. If that's okay with you. $47 touches and hesitates. 46, 45. $43. All my people are pretty angry with me because I am not booking the profit, and my Piyush is pretty angry with me right now. I can feel it. And my stubbornness to hit targets is something that he doesn't like. 50, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I have one person who's supporting me. Thank you, Aditya. This is 10. Okay, I don't know if I'm doing correct or not. 10, 1, 2, 3. The potential is you can push it to 55, 60 easily if you start taking the call credits. But my problem is I have to run in a bit. Now it's hesitating at 44, which is the nice chap on the stream told it's 44.7 is the low. A lot of reluctance to move, but it is fine. If it stays there also, these guys will lose value. So coming back to this, right, there were a few questions in the past streams. What do? I do neutral, I do directional, I do all of them based on the day, based on the momentum, based on a number of parameters. It can be interpreted as risky, and it is. I do not want to debate on that, but the real question that should be asked is, what is the quantum of the risk, not the risk in itself, because irrespective of what you do, there will be risk. The real question, which you want to have a meaningful conversation, is what is the quantum of the risk? That's a nice conversation to have with everybody, guys. 42.9 now. Which is the one? Which is that one? Mine is showing 46 only. I define it in the percentage risk. 1.5 is where I start to get thinking very fast how to exit, and 2%, 2.5% is where I typically take hard exits. Because of the intensity of the moves, sometimes the 2 to 2.5% will just happen like that. Although you wanted to exit at let's say 2%, just because of the slippages you will lose another 0.3, 0.4%. Yeah. What is 42.9? It's very difficult to follow you. Is that a call? Is that a put? Is that what is it? $83,700 PE low value for the day. I have $83,700 PE, which is at 50. You're saying it has seen 12 rupees? Is that what you're saying? Yes, Aditya, they are. I'm gonna look at this actually, a chart. $83,700. Where is 12.1? I can't see that on the chart. Chromecast is telling it's 12.01. Time is 12.01. Got it. Alright, clear as mud now. 475. Wow. Is straddle premium really that much? Yeah, very good premium. What is 6? It went to 42 once. I'm happy if it goes there once. A clean rejection at the lines we have drawn. Yeah, they have to decay. That's all. The game is all about that, right? Actually, $84,600, $85. Hmm. Is that correct? 50. $10,000. Okay. For those that are joining us now, good morning, welcome to the stream. It's been a slow decay. Profits are not giving up value from the past 20 minutes to hit our target of 50. I am just needing 10 more points. Those are the difficult points that we may get. I take that decision. Aditya K is asking, before taking any, do you dismix profit? I start the same old theory. I start thinking about risk, and then profits based on the cushion I have, based on the time of the day, I decide on targets. Puts are expanding pretty fast now. I had both. Nakul is asking, can I explain how I traded so far? I took a semi-directional trade, basically a neutral, I would say, but had a losses in calls Basically, I cut all the calls once the day high was broken. Here, retracement, I added puts in all of these. And now I might have to work my way to get to squeeze 15 more points. It looks like I have to wait a lot of time, which I'm okay doing so. Because these all have to still live 2.5 hours unless there is a candle of like 70 points. Unfortunately, I can't show you guys this PNL because it's not fitting in that this thing. Okay, it has come. I don't know what these are because we never went there. We did go to 25, came back to 15, and then we are here. How many of you think we will meet our targets today? And how many of you think I might not meet my targets today? Be honest. If Mohit tells, my confidence got boosted. Thanks, guys. Let's see if we can do it or not. More than target you will catch. Catch what? Why don't I book, reassess and re-enter? It's a position that is fairly in my favor. You don't have to meddle with that. You just ride it. And this has gone to 60, 65. I did not worry about it because I'm looking at the charts. I'm looking at a couple of things. This line and this line here. I would be worried. And when will the intrinsic value, this is all out of the money right now, but 83,700, which is here, which is, it has to travel all the way to here for it to gain value. Even though it might show 90s, it might come like that. It's okay. We have to assess that what a temporary spike versus what a real move could be. So I'll start reassessing this if it goes below this. Until then, I'm okay. It does spike. My guess is in the next 5-minute candle there should be a cool off. Otherwise, it might take a little bit more time. Let's see. It is really struggling to gain value right now. Correct. You're correct. Alright guys, I am going to take a short break. I will get the charts up and then I will be back with you in probably 5-10 minutes. I will keep the position run. If there are any changes, I will let you know what I have done. Target is at 50 lakhs 20,000. So if it hits, I will just take a longer break. तो टेंशन मत ले. That is me getting yelled by Piyush. $20K is for charges. मुझे कौन से charges? Possibly. Oh yeah. No. That is not for that. That's the slippages you get when you are exiting. When it exits, it will definitely take either 2, 3, 30, 35,000 usually what I have seen for this quantity. Alright, Ashes will be there with you guys for some time. I'm gonna need a break. And he will tell when it hits.
Hey guys, Yashas here. Am I audible? You only need around 10 odd points, 10 to 15. Just waiting for a cool off. Calls are rapidly cooling off. Calls have come down. They've lost 70% of its value of the OTMs. So, yep. And guys, bonanza for the week, and so we lost around 32,000 odd points. So close one. So and happy weekend, guys. What you can actually do is hold on. अगर वो हाई ब्रेक करता है तब देखो कॉल्स को ऑन कर देते हैं कॉल्स को ऑन कर देते हैं क्वार्टर క్లోజ్ చేసేదా స్ట్రీమ్ ఓకే okay guys, I'm glad that you had a good stream. I'm gonna close the stream. That's it for today. Have a nice trading day. So please do like, share the content that we do, and subscribe. Thank you guys.